Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Notifications and Quick Settings. So you will not find this option in the battery section. Notifications and Quick Settings. Then let's go to status bar. And here we've got two different options that are connected with the battery. So first of all, style and percentage. And the percentage, the way of showing the percentage on the status bar strongly depends on the specific style. So for example, right now we've got the horizontal one, as we can see. And we can tap on battery percentage and choose from three different options. So inside the battery icon, outside battery icon, or do not show it at all. Obviously, all you have to do is to tap on the option that you'd like to use. And as you can see now, the percentage is inside the battery icon, here outside, and hidden. However, the battery percentage will completely change if we will change the battery style. So let me choose, for example, vertical one. After tapping on vertical, obviously the icon will change and the way of changing the percentage will change also. So as you can see now, instead of being able to tap on this option, we've got the switcher, so we can simply tap on it to turn it on, so display it next to the battery icon, or tap on it again to turn it off. The same situation in the loop option, so we can either display it next to the battery icon or hide it, or do not show it at all. We can also show it or hide it, so we do not have any kind of information about the battery. So obviously this is up to you how you'd like to display your percentage and style. Simply have fun with those options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.